If your dark spots and hyperpigmentations are not clearing, you are probably using the wrong serums. Let's talk about hyperpigmentation and the serums that actually work, the serums that help in clearing hyperpigmentation. If you are coming across my video for the first time, hi, my name is Stella, and today we are talking about the serums that clear hyperpigmentation. Let's be honest, hyperpigmentation can be so difficult to clear if you're not using the right thing on your skin. If you're not using the right serums, the right facial wash, the right toners. But in this video, we are just going to touch on the serums you should be using when you have hyperpigmentation, when you have melasma, when you have dark spots all over your skin. You just want to clear. The first one we have here is vitamin C. You can't talk about brightening agents and not talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good brightening serum that you can include in your routine. It's fake dark spots, it improves hyperpigmentations over time, it saves sunburns, and it also boosts collagen. It works hand in hand with your sunscreen. So if you're looking for a very good serums that can work, especially during the day when you're stepping out, that can work hand in hand with your sunscreen, you should go for vitamin C. The other side of it is that if you have sensitive skin, your skin is prone to acne, you might react to vitamin C, especially when you're using the low formulated or the higher concentration of the vitamin C. But vitamin C is a very good option when it comes to brightening agents. Including it in your routine is going to fasten your results for you. The next one we have is niacinamide. Niacinamide does not just brighten your skin, it reduces excess production of oil on your skin, it clears acne marks, it helps in building your skin barrier, giving you a stronger skin barrier. So this serum, this niacinamide serum, is not just serums for brightening, it's also serum for um, boosting your skin barrier, serums that can help clear your hyperpigmentation, serums that can also help in production of oil, and is also going to help stop the excess acne coming to your skin. Like it reduces acne on the skin, and that's it for niacinamide. So niacinamide is a better option when it comes to oily skin people trying to clear hyperpigmentation. At the same time, you also want to maintain a healthy skin. This is a very good option. Next option we have is Arbutin. If your goal is to target stubborn hyperpigmentation, stubborn dark spots, your best friend should be Arbutin serums because it's going to help brighten the dark spots, brighten your hyperpigmentation, brighten your skin overall. If you're looking for a serum that does everything when it comes to brightening and fading dark spots, this should be included in your routine. And it's suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry skin, oily skin, any skin type can use alpha-bootin serum. You can also use it 2 to 3 times in a day. But then I actually prefer when people use it at night because it's a brightening agent. If you don't use sunscreen with it, it's going to cause you more hyperpigmentation on your skin. So it's advisable to use it at night, or even if you're using it during the day, you should be reapplying your sunscreen so you don't go back to square one. You don't go back to what you're trying to treat and still getting back or getting the react. Like it's just like you're not treating anything. That's what it does when you use these serums without using sunscreen. Another one is your tretinoin. Your tretinoin is a good option when it comes to brightening agent. It doesn't just brighten, it clears your hyperpigmentation over time. It fades dark spots over time. And it's not just something that is just clearing and doing all those things. It's also a good anti-aging serum. It's also going to help reduce the appearance of your fine line, clear wrinkles, give you that younger look. So if you're in your 40s, you're in your 30s, your 50s, you're looking for a serum that works very well, that can brighten your skin, that can clear your sunburn, your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, at the same time, reducing the fine lines and wrinkles that you have. Retinoid should be the your number one. It should be in your routine. Retinoids are for night use. You cannot be using retinoids during the day. It's only advisable to use it at night. And it's not also advisable to be using it every single day. You use your retinoids 2 to 3 times in a week. That way it's working perfectly for you. Over time, when you use it for a longer time, it's going to clear your hyperpigmentation, and it's going to clear your dark spot at the same time. And that's it for serums that works very well for hyperpigmentation. And you also have to know that having discoloration on your skin is okay. It's okay to have discoloration on your skin. It's okay to have hyperpigmentation. It's okay to have dark spots. You don't have to over bother yourself about clearing this, clearing that, clearing that. The only reason why we have those things are to improve the appearance of it. With time and with consistency, this hyperpigmentation and your dark spots will clear. Okay? Don't overwork yourself. Don't start using things that are not meant to be using. So if you can get these four serums, your vitamin C, your niacinamide, your retinoids, and your Arbutin, is a good option when it comes to serums that brighten. And you should also be looking at cleansers that hydrate and at the same time exfoliate the skin. Okay? And that's it for today's video. If you watch up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.